In this video, you'll learn how to clear the cache on KuCoin. This process can help resolve any issues with the platform and improve your overall experience while using it. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. This tutorial assumes you are using Google Chrome, but the steps are similar in other browsers. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to prevent interruptions during the process. Next, locate the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser window. This icon represents the menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. After that, from the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Settings. This will take you to the settings page where you can customize your browser preferences. Once you are on the settings page, look for the section titled Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. Click on this section to access privacy-related. Now find and click on the Clear Browsing Data option. A new dialog box will appear, allowing you to choose what data you want to delete. Ensure you select the Cached Images and Files option to clear the cache specifically. After making your selection, click on the Clear Data button at the bottom of the dialog box. This action will initiate the clearing of your cache. Depending on the amount of cache data, this may take a few moments. Wait for the process to complete before moving on. Once the cache has been cleared, navigate to the KuCoin website by entering its URL in the address bar. Ensure that the page loads correctly and that any previous issues you experienced are resolved. If you prefer to clear the cache on KuCoin directly, a link is provided in the description and pinned comment below the video for your convenience. Follow that link to manage your cache settings on KuCoin more efficiently. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.